Yelena. We are here to show you guys how to do that perfect Tati or J-Lo inspired, but it's with Tati and Scott Barnes on YouTube. So we just recreated the look using all of his palettes over here. We're so in love with it.
We are.
And we are just so excited for you guys to see how we got this look.
Alondra and I were selected by Scott Barnes and his team to be his ambassadors of Barnes Cosmetics.
Yes.
So we're so fortunate and excited, and you can use our codes. It's either Yelena or Alondra, and you can get 20% off. So it's
20.
Amazing. 20.
That's a lot.
I wish I had this when I bought all of these.
Right? These things are so expensive. They're like $60, right?
Yeah, but you know what? If you think about how many colors you get and you divide by that, it's actually a really great deal, and the quality is the best.
The best.
Ever. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy our video. We're going to rewind it all the way to the beginning. And while you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us, because we're here for you.
Yeah. So,
Okay, let's do this.
yes. Okay, so we're going to start with skincare because it's so important, right?
Yes.
So I personally like to start with toner.
Yes.
So I have my toner by INGLOT. This is a dry skin. What do you like to start with?
I also start with a toner. Can I borrow your?
Of course.
Thank
of
you.
course.
Because I love INGLOT.
Yes, INGLOT is so amazing.
It is.
Can I get a...
See? Teamwork makes dream work.
Okay, we're also going to use some really new techniques that we have been learning, right, Yelena? From
From Axel.
Axel.
The moi.
Yes, I really love this toner because it really refreshes my face since I'm dry skin. I really like how it hydrates it.
Me too. I love that. I used to always think, oh, I have oily skin, that means I need to use everything oil-free. And that is not the case. I actually found out that I had oily skin because I was over-drying it. So now I do the opposite, especially before makeup, and makeup just lasts all day, doesn't get oily.
So now we have some hydrating INGLOT serum. And I'm going to go with the Duo Fiber brush.
Scott Barnes.
Mine isn't Scott Barnes, but I'll get it soon.
That's right. Because you're the ambassador.
Of course.
Feels so good.
Yes, I love serums. And remember to always take it to the body, because everything that we do up here, you have to do down here.
Yes, we will. Next, I like to apply moisturizer. Serum is great, but moisturizer really locks everything in. So I have a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream.
Ooh.
Feeling good. So now it's spray down time.
Yes.
Okay. Should we spray each other down?
Yes.
Chest too.
So I really want to make sure she's super wet. Just
Oh,
so
yes.
her face is extra hydrated, and we learned this with
Axel. What's next? The skin is feeling good. So let's go the Scott Barnes style, and we're going to start with concealer.
Yes. I'm going to correct a little bit under here just because I have a little bit of dark circles. I have a little bit of dark circles.
Because she's a student.
Yes.
So I'm going to just rely on this handy dandy concealer. I'm going extra light because Scott Barnes likes to go very bright with the highlight and concealing, and then dark with the contour.
And which concealer are you using?
I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. This is my favorite concealer. It gives me just exactly what I need.
Can I try? I've never tried it before.
Yes. Okay, so first, starting right underneath the eye.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared. There we go.
Okay.
I usually stay away from this area with concealer, but I'm going to drag it out a little bit to really brighten. And because we're mixing with eye cream, it's not too dry.
So here, yeah, this is like my favorite part of concealer. I used to never do this, like right here.
Yes.
Right in this area.
And also, I don't know if you guys can see, but we apply the concealer on the side of the nose too, because it really helps snatch it, especially after we add contour. Okay, and then here it goes in a little circular situation.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm loving this concealer.
Tarte Shape Tape is a wonderful primer.
Really?
For my clients, I usually will just use that and we're good to go.
I use the All Covered by Concealer by INGLOT.
That's a good one too. I don't have it.
Okay, so with this, you really don't have to press really hard. It's more of like tapping motions.
Oh yeah.
So I always love to do tapping motions because I feel like that's the best blend and the best application.
Absolutely.
We are very highlighted.
Yes, we are. We are. Gosh, your green eyes are popping.
I know. That's why I love these things. It's like, gives me that extra oomph that I'm missing. I'm not basic anymore.
I apparently just cannot. The contacts, the eye said no to the contacts. It looks like we're highlighted. What's next? Now we gotta contour, right? Get the color into this situation. In the Tati and Scott Barnes video, they used this TV paint stick in color V18. So we're gonna try to use that too.
We're gonna try it out. First, we're gonna start with jaws. We're gonna do that first. Just basically take it here too as well to give me kind of more of like a jawline. And I'm taking it all the way here.
Yeah, we're gonna go heavy.
I always do this to get rid of my neck. Does it look
You have a wonderful neck.
No.
You have wonderful jaws. Have you seen my TikTok, but it's also on Instagram about the contour joke?
Eliminate the nose. You can pretend that you have no nostrils. Men will be bewitched and hand over their wallets. Men don't like nostrils.
Oh yes, we have to eliminate the nose. I was literally gonna tell you we should say. So I'm gonna do a little bit of contour.
Men find out they can shapeshift. They're gonna tell the church.
So I'm gonna put some here too. We're gonna go in.
Where are you going for it? You're going.
I am.
See, I like naturally have these bones already, so I'm like, I don't want them to stand
You're
out.
so lucky.
Just around the bones, underneath and above. And anyway, don't worry. We're gonna blend everything with foundation.
So now we're gonna toast up the cheeks, right? That's what you said.
We're gonna toast the cheeks.
Yes.
We're just going for it. We're creating this illusion.
For this part right here, I don't go, because you know when you do contour, you go underneath the cheekbone. But for me, I've been loving to make it like more snatch and lifted. So I go above the cheekbone just a little bit. So it can give me that illusion that I have higher cheekbones.
I love that. It just all depends on your face shape. Alondra has a beautiful heart-shaped face. She pretty much could get away with no contour.
Oh, please. Look at Yelena. She's perfect. Doesn't need any contour.
Of course I do. I'm so one-dimensional. Remember, guys, makeup is fun. It's not to completely recreate. It's just to tell a story.
And if it makes you feel better, do it. Who cares what anyone says?
Exactly.
I love makeup. I'm going to eliminate my nose because I don't like my nose.
Let's eliminate the nose. I think I need a different brush for that.
Yes. So I love using this MAC brush. This is the 106S. So it's really slanted.
Show us.
So it's slanted like this.
Okay, let's eliminate the nose.
Yep, we're going to take it all the way here to the brow because remember this is where our nose actually begins. I've been loving that technique that Axel did on me.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
That little
The
triangle.
side, yeah, the triangles was so cool. See, it's already changing. We're seeing angles.
Yes. So now I can't breathe. You see my nose?
No, where did it go? It was going underneath the nose, kind of like a little cat, because it really shortens it. Okay, the lip, I like to use the Scott Barnes number 59.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5.
Ooh.
59. Such a good brush.
Yeah, so the purpose of the lip contouring is to make your lips a little bit more poutier.
Mm-hmm.
And we love a pouty lip.
That'll do. Alondra, what do you think you would call this look?
I think it's natural.
Natural?
Yes.
I love it. Snatched, but natural?
Yes.
Okay. I love it. Would you say it's kind of like glowy and hoey?
Yes. More like
This is
natural.
It's natural.
Yes.
It's natural. Glowy and hoey.
It's natural.